Hello, everybody. KG here, founder of the Internet Money Crypto Wallet. Today, I'm bringing you a video that's a little different than videos I normally make. Normally, you might see me make tutorial videos or technical videos, but today I wanted to make a shout out to a community member who does a lot of awesome work for the ecosystem. Several weeks ago, he was running a contest to give away one of his products. And I entered the contest and I actually happened to win. So this video is not a paid promotion. It is not a sponsored video. In no way, shape, or form am I financially incentivized to make this. I simply wanted to make it because I felt inspired by this community member, the work that he does, and the quality of the product he is producing. He's the founder of the Hex Toys website, and if you've followed him at all, you've seen all of the amazing high-quality merchandise that he makes for the Hex and PulseChain community. And in this particular contest, he was giving away one of these watches. It's a PulseChain watch, and I'm going to show you the watch. I'm going to switch the camera angles here and actually break down the quality of it, because I want to bring awareness to the quality of the merchandise that he's making. For those that know me, you know that I'm not much of a watch or jewelry kind of guy. But when I see my fellow human out there making awesome products that are centered around bringing awareness to the things that we all believe in, I want to do my part in supporting them. With that, let's jump right into it.
Got my own keys and my own coins. Gotta protect this money. Took too long for me to get it. Can't let them take this from me.
Here is the PulseChain watch. And you can see it's very subtle in color. The only color it has is this cool electric blue around it. And the rest of it is either black or has sort of this gunmetal gray aesthetic here. It's actually very unique in its shape and construction. I've never seen a watch have this stuff around the border, and it's actually, the materials are thick and heavyweight. I don't feel like this is a cheap watch that you would buy at some store, right? And what I like most about it is I'm a pretty subtle guy when it comes to design. So instead of it being just a huge PulseChain logo, the PulseChain flex is actually very subtle. It's right there. You've got the PulseChain logo and you've got PulseChain right below it. And the rest of the watch is actually this skeleton construction where you can see the gears going inside of the watch. And if you flip it over on the back, you can see more action happening under the face as well. And this is a kinetic watch, so there's no batteries. It actually winds itself, so you can have a watch winder, which I personally do not have. But I believe also as you're wearing it and walking and doing the moving motion, you can see it's going. It's actually charging itself effectively. So it's very, very clean, very subtle. There's actually another PulseChain flex right here on the end of the latch, the watch latch right there. So all in all, just a very high quality, very beautiful, really, watch. And then you got a little Hex logo there as well. So if you're looking to pick up one of these or want to learn more about it, I will post the link in the description of this video. And again, this is not a paid advertisement. I make no money on this whatsoever. I just thought this was really cool. I was happy to win the contest, and I'm very appreciative of the work that Hex Toys does for spreading the awareness around our ecosystem. And that's all for this video. If you enjoyed, please hit like, repost it, subscribe, whatever platform you're on. We appreciate your support. Check the description of this video, which I will link you to this page right here where you can learn more about the watch and purchase one for yourself if you are interested. Thank you again to Sai over at Hex Toys for the awesome gift. My name is KG, and until next time, peace.
Got my own keys and my own coins. Gotta protect this money. Took too long for me to get it. Can't let them take this from me.